I've been using Cash App and NetSpend for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased comparison between the two. So let's dive in and find out which one is the right fit for you. Cash App is an all-in-one financial tool that lets users send and receive money, invest in stocks and Bitcoin, and use a free debit card for purchases. It's an ideal option for those who want to manage everyday transactions, invest with as little as $1, and access instant payment features. Cash App also offers options like Cash Boost, which provides instant discounts at participating stores and access to Bitcoin trading and stock investments, making it an excellent choice for users looking for a versatile financial platform. NetSpend, on the other hand, focuses on prepaid debit card services. It offers reloadable prepaid Visa and MasterCard options, providing features such as direct deposit, online account management, and budgeting tools. Additionally, NetSpend has a reload network of over 130,000 locations, allowing users to add funds to their accounts conveniently. While it doesn't provide investment options or a full suite of financial services like Cash App, NetSpend is designed for people who need a prepaid card solution without the requirements of a traditional bank account. The platform charges various fees for card usage, such as activation fees, monthly maintenance fees, and ATM withdrawal fees, which can add up over time. Overall, Cash App is best for users who want an all-in-one platform for managing finances, sending money, investing, and filing taxes, while NetSpend is better suited for users who need a prepaid card for everyday spending without requiring a full bank account. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.